Good afternoon. I'm Chester Cedars, St. Martin Parish President. I wanted to give you a quick update on the tropical system which is heading our way. I've just completed another conference with the National Weather Service and our Office of Emergency Preparedness. Candidly, we were a little bit surprised this morning with the speed at which this particular storm is approaching. However, we had been monitoring it all week, and therefore we were able to quickly mobilize the protective measures which we have been practicing and which we implemented quite a few times, far too many times last year. Essentially, this tropical system is expected very shortly to become a tropical storm. It is almost in the Gulf. The National Weather Service has advised us as late as 4 p.m. today that once it hits the Gulf, it will very quickly, because of the warm waters in the Gulf, be upgraded to a hurricane. Now, some good news, sort of good news, is that the track has changed slightly to the east. Earlier this morning, we posted on our social media outlets that the National Weather Service had indicated the storm would probably hit somewhere between Lafayette and Baton Rouge. The projected landfall this afternoon was projected to be in the Grand Isle area. So it's shifted a little bit east, and that's good because the significant winds and rain may be a little bit to the east of us, but don't relax for two reasons. One, even if it does continue on the current path, we're still going to have some significant effects in terms of strong wind, rain, and storm surges in our region. Second reason not to relax is, as we all know, these tropical storms, these hurricanes, these type of systems can easily change with regard to strength, intensity, and of course, its track. Couple things to keep in mind as well. You know what you're supposed to equip yourself with for the storm. You know, a lot of water, a lot of canned goods. Make sure your generators are gassed up, your vehicles are gassed up. You know, the normal steps that we instruct or recommend be taken should be adopted as soon as possible. Sandbags will be available at all parish locations, which we have previously posted on both news media and social media. We're going to update that again. And I had a conference with many of our municipal leaders this afternoon. Mayor Calais in Breaux Bridge has announced that his sandbags for the City of Breaux Bridge will be available beginning 1 p.m. tomorrow. The location will be posted shortly with the news media and with our social media posts for your edification. Keep in mind, as with most storms, a lot of uncertainty. With this one, it's moving quickly, and so things are changing very quickly relative to this system. However, we will continue to monitor this. I will probably around 10 p.m. Tonight have another viewing with the National Weather Service. If they schedule that, I think they may. But we'll keep you posted. We'll keep the public abreast of any and all developments as soon as we learn of them. So thank you and Godspeed.